This class is for class 8 in continuation to the previous class of linear equation in one variable. Today we will be discussing about the word problems of exercise 15b. We start with the second question. They say the sum of two numbers is 80. So to make you understand, let us consider that two numbers are x and y. They say that sum of two numbers means x plus y is equal to 80. Sum of two numbers is 80. We have made a equation, mathematical equation, but here we are using two variables x and y, but we need to use one variable only. So let's see what is there in the next sentence. They say the larger number exceeds 4 times the smaller by 5. Let us assume that y is the larger number. Then obviously this is the smaller number. So they say the larger number, that is y, exceeds 4 times the smaller. 4 times the smaller means 4 times of x, and this larger number exceeds by 5 means y is 5 greater than 4 times of x. So we will write plus 5 and this becomes y. From this we have got the value of y. It means this value of y can be substituted in the previous one, means x, that was a smaller number, plus larger number is 4x plus 5 is equal to 80. So how we will solve it? We will write let the number be x, or you can say smaller. Let the smaller number be x. Let the smaller number be x. Therefore, the larger number will be 4 times of smaller number plus 5. Now we have got both the numbers in one variable. Now according to question, they say that sum of smaller plus larger means sum of smaller and larger is equal to 80. Smaller was x, larger was 4x plus 5 is equal to 80. You add them up. 4x plus x is 5x plus 5 is equal to 80. So 5x is equal to 80 minus 5, that is 75. 5x is equal to, so x is equal to 75 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. The number, smaller number is 15, and they say what is the smaller number? So smaller number is 15. That is the final value. Now we move on to the next question. Now next I am taking question number 4. We will be doing in the multiples of 2. Now question number 4 is, what is the sum of two consecutive even numbers? Means we have to find sum of two consecutive even numbers. This we have to find out. First of all, how will we assume what is an even number? Suppose I take the number as x. It means we are not sure about x, whether it is even or odd. But if I multiply this number by 2, in any case it will always be even. Suppose you take x is equal to 3. 3 into 2 is 6. It makes it even. So if you take any number and you multiply it by 2, it will become even. Now consecutive means the very next even number after 2x. So what will be the next even number after 2x? If we add 2 to this 2x, it will be the next even number. It will be the next even number. As 6, we add 2, it will become 8. So 8 is the next even number of 6. So it means we have assumed the numbers, the consecutive numbers, as we got the numbers as 2x and 2x plus 2. These are the consecutive even numbers. Then they say the difference of whose squares is 84. So we will say let the consecutive even numbers be 2x and 2x plus 2. Now second statement, they say the difference of whose squares is 84. It is given that difference of squares of these numbers is 84. So obviously this is the bigger one. So square of bigger minus square of smaller is equal to 84. It means bigger one is 2x plus 2 whole square minus 2x square is equal to 84. Now we have to find the sum of these consecutive numbers. So we will find out the value of x. From this we can find out the even number as 2x and 2x plus 2 and then their sum. So when we solve it, when we open this according to a plus b whole square, this will be a square plus 2 times of a b and plus b square. This is the first one, and minus of 2x square is equal to 84. This has been expanded with the formula of a plus b whole square. This would have been done with other method also. I will show you how it can be done. Now this 2x square is 4x square of 2x is 4x square. 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 8x plus 4 minus 4x square is equal to 84. This and this cancel, positive and negative cancel. So we got 8x is equal to 84 minus 4, that is 80. So x is equal to 80 upon 8, that is 10. So one even number is 10 and other is 2x plus 2, that is this is the value of x. One even number was 2x, that is 2 into 10, that is 20, and other number was 2x plus 2, that is 2 into 10 plus 2 is equal to, this is 2 into 10, that is 20, and this becomes 22. So sum of the numbers, sum will be 20 plus 22, that is 42. That is the final value. One more thing, in this we would have solved it, because you can see this is written in the form of, also in the form of, this can be written as 2x plus 2 whole square, it is given, minus 2x whole square is equal to 84. We know according to the formula of a square minus b square, we know this can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square can be written as 2x plus 2 plus b means plus 2x, and 2x plus 2 minus 2x is equal to 84. Negative positive cancel, 2 and 2, 4x plus 2 into 2 is equal to 84. So 4x plus 2 will be 84 upon 2, that is 42. So 4x is equal to 42 minus 2, that is 40. So x is equal to 40 upon 4, that is 10. You got the value of 10 of x as 10 over here also, and here also we are getting the value of x as 10. So 2x is equal to 2 into 10, that is 20, and the other number is 2x plus 2, that is 22. So by any method you can solve, either by this method or by this method. So now we move on to the next question, that will be question number 6. Now next question is question number 6. They say the numerator of a fraction is 4 less than the denominator. So the basic is your denominator. So we can say let the denominator be x. So numerator will be what? Numerator becomes, they say numerator is 4 less than denominator. So x denominator 4 less minus 4. So the fraction becomes the fraction, original fraction is numerator upon denominator. This is the original fraction. Then they say that if the numerator is decreased by 2, now in second case, they say numerator is decreased by 2. Decreased by 2. It means numerator was initially x minus 4. Now the numerator has been decreased by 2, means minus 2. So the numerator is x minus 4 minus 2. That becomes x minus 6. And they say that denominator is increased by 1. Denominator is increased by 1, means denominator was x, so now denominator was x, so denominator is increased by 1 means x plus 1. So new fraction is now numerator upon denominator. Numerator is x minus 6 and denominator is x plus 1. They say that the value of new fraction after doing these changes, we are getting 1 upon 8. It means in place of new fraction we will write 1 upon 8 is equal to x minus 6 upon x plus 1. Now we will solve it. Cross multiply. So x plus 1 is equal to 8 times of x minus 6. So x plus 1 is equal to 8 times of x minus 48. 48 comes to this side, will become in plus. So 48 plus 1 is equal to 8x, and x goes to this side, minus x. It means we are getting 48 plus 1 is 49. 8x minus x is 7x, implies that x is equal to 49 upon 7. So that comes out to be 7. This is the denominator. Denominator is 7. So what can we say about numerator? Numerator was x minus 4. You can see numerator was given x minus 4. It means that numerator is 7 minus 4. So it becomes 3. So the fraction originally, the fraction was numerator upon denominator. So numerator is 3 and denominator is 7. So that is the final value. Now we move on to the next question, that is question number 8. Now next is question number 8. They say that sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 10. Always we write a 2-digit as, suppose I say 61. If you break it, it means 6 into 10 plus 1. This is the place value. So always a 2-digit number is written as 10x plus y, where x is the tens digit and y is the units digit. Now they say that the sum of the digits means, if I assume, let the units digit be x. Let the units digit of a 2-digit number be x. It means I have taken x as units digit plus 10 times of some other number is there. Let us say, to explain, let us say this is y, this is y. So they say that sum of the digits means x plus y is equal to 10. It means y can be written as 10 minus x, because they say sum of 2 digits is 10. So one we have taken x, so other will be 10 minus x. So that is why we have written let the unit digit be x. Therefore, tens digit will be 10 minus x. Why 10 minus x? Because sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 10. So we have to find this value in terms of x. So y will become 10 minus x. That is why the tens digit is x. Means I have considered a number 10y plus x, where this is the tens digit, this is the this is the units digit, and this is the tens digit. So they say that sum of the digits means x plus y is equal to 10. So this has already been assumed, so value of y will become 10 minus x. So that is why tens digit is 10 minus x. Now they say that the numbers formed by reversing the digits. Now by reversing reversing the digits, number will be formed, number formed. Now when it is, we have taken 10y plus x as the original number. When you reverse the digit, x replaces y and y replaces x. So the new number will be 10 times of x plus y. It means they say that number formed, let us form a number. So y, or the second digit, tens digit, will come to the units digit. Means 10 times of units digit will now come to the x, means tens place, and tens digit will come to the units place. This is, they say, by reversing the digits, means x takes the value of y, whereas x was unit digit. So now x has come to the tens digit, and tens digit was 10 minus x. So now this 10 minus x has come to the units place. They say that the number formed by reversing the digits is 18 less than the original number. So original number was what? Original number was 10 times tens digit, tens times tens digit, and tens digit is 10 minus x plus units digit is x. Now they say the new number formed is 18 less than the original number. Means original number minus 18 is equal to new number. They say new number is equal to original number minus 18 less 18. So new number is 10x plus 10 minus x. Original number was 10 times of 10 minus x plus x and minus 18. Now just we have to solve it out. So 10x minus x is 9x plus 10 is equal to 10 into 10 is 100 minus 10x plus x and minus 18. So this will be 100 minus 9x minus 18 is equal to 9x plus 10. 9 comes to this side. So 9x plus 9x is equal to 100 minus 18, and 10 goes to that side, minus 10. It means 9 and 9 is 18x is equal to 100 minus 10 is 90, 90 minus 10 is 80, 80 minus 8 is 72. So a total, when you add all these, you will get 72. So x is equal to 72 upon 18, 9 2s are 18, 9 8s are 72, 2 4s are 8. Means x is 4. X was units digit. So tens digit will be 10 minus x. 10 minus x, that is 10 minus 4, that is 6. So they ask find the original number. So original number was 10 times of 10 minus x into x, 10 times of 10 minus x, 10 minus x plus x. So 10 times of 10 minus x, you are getting 6 and plus 4. So final value is 64. That is the final value. Now we move on to question number 10. Now question number 10. They say that in an examination, a student scores 4 marks for correct. So for correct, he is scoring 4 means plus 4. Then they say and for every correct and loses 1 mark for every incorrect. Loses for wrong answer, he is losing 1 mark. Losing means minus of 1 mark, right? So and then they say he attempts 75 questions means total questions attempted were equal to right plus wrong, right answers and plus wrong answers, means he total attempted 75 questions, out of which few were right and few were wrong. So we will assume that let the number of right questions is x, and it is given that total number of 75 questions, out of which x were right and wrong we have to find out. So wrongly answered questions will be 75 minus x, implies that wrong answers are 75 minus x. So in this way we got the number of questions attempted right as well as wrong. We assume let the number of right questions be x. So wrongly attempted questions is 75 minus x. When you add both of them, you will get total number of questions attempted, and that was 75. 75 minus x and minus will cancel. So final value will be 75. So this is how we are getting the number of questions that he attempted, which were right and which were wrong. Then they say, and secures 125 marks. He scored how much? The score of the child is 125 marks. It means out of this 125 marks, he attempted x questions right and 75 minus x questions wrong. This is for right questions, this is for wrong questions, and this is the total marks. Now for every right question he is getting 4 marks, means if he has attempted x questions right, so he will be having, or he will be scoring 4 times of x marks, plus for every wrong question he is given minus 1 marks. So for every wrong question he will be losing 1 mark. So we are multiplying minus 1 by number of questions wrongly attempted. Now we will solve it. 125, 4 into x is 4x, minus 1 into 75 is minus 75, minus 1 into minus x is plus x. 75 comes to this side, 75 and 125 is 200, is equal to 4x plus 1x is 5x, implies that x is equal to 200 upon 5, 5 4s are 20, 40. It means he attempted 40 questions correct, or 40 questions, the answer for 40 questions was given right. And in this you have to find out what are the number of questions attempted correctly. So he attempted 40 questions that have been marked right. Now with this I come to an end of this class. In the next class we will discuss the leftover questions. By then keep on practicing, keep on working hard, and you will only understand when you practice on your own. You have to practice in any case. This is the most important thing for mathematics. It comes only when you practice. So stay blessed. Thank you.